Hi guys, yours Advay here and this is my sister Ashita. Today I am going to do potato smiley with my mom, and first step is take the potato and cut it into half and boil it. The next step is mash the potato like this and add a little bit of salt and a little bit of chili powder and add 4 spoons of breadcrumbs, and after that add the corn flour. Come, we do it together. The next step is mix everything together and make a dough like this. Then roll the dough. Cut the round shape using the cookie cutter. Then make the eyes with a chopstick or a straw. Use spoon to make a smile. Like this. We have prepared a pattern, so next my mom will head to fry. Now the potato smiley is ready to eat. Thank you for watching.